Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get travel deals and coupons using the Skyscanner app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Skyscanner app, then go to the profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you just have to go to the settings menu, which is here. And when you tap on it, you can go to the other menu, which is the second one, and tap on the marketing options. And when you tap on it, you will see this little switch on the right side of the screen, and it's going to say get deals, tips, and news and inspiration. Plan better with the latest push notifications. So if you turn this on, you can receive deals and coupons and discounts for your next travel straight from the Skyscanner company. Obviously, you may receive some promotions and some news and other tips, because this is basically a marketing option, but you can really find some good deals here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.